nag-i-story ka agad.
Recording in progress. Hi, guys!
Na-notify pala. Oh my
Hello,
gosh,
everybody.
na-notify siya. Baka isa-surprise ka sa akin. So yeah,
May ano siya, no?
this is just a trial and error. A trial and error.
Ano ba ni mga filters and all?
I'm not sure. I think
Yung makakatulong sa personal
enhance.
gain.
Yeah,
Uy, may daw ka-chat nga afam. Sige na.
Oh, asya ngayon nga bagat boldy kaya na, guys.
Ang
Uy, waray. Very decent. Decency is the key to success pa now.
Walang brow.
Danish.
Anytime ka ganon. Is it chat or like video chat? Whatever.
A chat. Chat lang ano man. Okay. You know.
Ano? Danish.
Danish
Malasyak ka mo.
Pinoy?
Chinese.
Okay. But he's based where?
He's based in the US.
Oh, wow.
So basically, he's a businessman.
Hindi ako sanay na.
Ay, hindi ka sanay, te.
Sis, hindi ka daw sanay sa ano.
Hi, te.
Hi, meet my friend.
Oh my God. Welcome to our vlog.
Hi.
No.
Hi, te.
Mga hubadera
talaga
kami.
Say hi to our vlog.
Yeah, we're the hubaderas.
Ha? Hoy, saan daw kayo?
I'm based
Samar, te.
I'm based in MacArthur.
And me, I'm from the land of beautiful people and bees. Abuyog Leyte.
Hindi yung physical yeah, that's our what you call that, hometown. But currently I'm based in Manila. Arte. And my name is Marbel Bernaldez. Nice meeting you, ate.
Hello po. Ay, ang pregnant pala.
Arte lang yan.
Arte lang.
Then notification. Hi, ate. Dalawa lang kayong
may guest tayo agad.
Yes. Welcome to KK. Baga mo say ko kung KK with a K. Kaibigan.
Welcome to KKK with a K.
Ayun.
Mana pagbisaya ka mo, maara mo yung magbisaya.
Ay magbisaya.
Taga-asa ka, ate. Taga-asa ka.
Uy, magbisaya na lang ta.
Waray.
Taga-asa ka.
Hindi ka waray.
Taga-asa ka, girl.
Taga CDO.
Taga CDO ka.
Corned beef. Charot.
Si Kiana ay taga CDO, di ba? Kiana with a K.
Kiana, oo. Kilala mo ate Kiana with a K?
Drag queen.
Kiana. Sino yung Kiana?
Drag queen.
Sino Kiana daw?
Keanu Reeves.
Drag
Reeves. Yes, correct. Keanu Reeves. Dakon suso. Malaki ang suso.
Bayot, waray man iton.
Ay, di rin siya familiar.
Kung nakagets ka, ate nakagets ka ng waray, di ba merong mga terms na gets mo?
Oo. Na ay mga words na mag-gets na ko.
Sige, mag-adjust ka na lang, te, ha?
No, makabalo ko o
Dili ko makasulti
Bisaya.
Charot. Di ko makasulti Bisaya. Waray lang.
Maglisod lang gamay.
But don't worry, guys, because I can translate it for you. Because kabalo man ko magbisaya po.
Wow.
Level.
Yes. Siyempre, taga-Abuyog, kabalo man magbisaya.
Kasi border siya.
Bisaya.
Marunong ka ikoy talaga?
No,
Maara mo talaga?
Di ba sa Leyte kay ano man siya, parang half Waray, half Bisaya.
Yes.
Sila ikoy nasa border na sila.
Crossbreed siya, crossbreed.
Kanang last town na Waray. Tapos next town, Cebuano na.
Kabalo ko magbisaya talaga. Kaintindi ko. Basta Bisaya, guwapa.
Makaintindi po ko kay fan man ko og kanang ABS-CBN Cebu, di ba na sila yung variety show every Sunday? Di ba?
Oo. Hoy, dahil mahusay ka ko, no, Arnel?
Na yung mga references.
Thank you so much.
Ikaw matanay kung hain na yung Road to Robotica.
Ate, Ate, gusto mo kumita ng bulubundukin ng
Ang
Samar.
chocolate chills.
Sierra Madre.
Pakita mo daw
Ayaw
yung
man,
boobs.
nabi-
Sierra
ma-shock.
Madre. Ang Sierra Madre. Uy, naka-record pala kita, Nel. Wag pala.
Ay,
Hindi
sorry.
rin
naka-record
Sorry,
pala yan.
naka-record nga, sorry.
Bakit
Wholesome
kita ma-
vlog, di ba? Dapat wholesome
Pero
vlog.
ate,
Bakit kita ma-cancel culture, guys?
kasi pero kung sino hinutiyakan ka na wong, i-translate.
Oo, sino
Ay,
daw
outside
yung
view.
kamukha niya?
Ang side view man, ang side view.
Diri.
Diri ang side view, ba't pasugad ni man pasugad?
Ha? Ano?
An-
Sulen daw.
Kinsa iya kanaw.
Side view nga ni Nel. Diri, ano yung side view nga may, diri amo.
Matet? Matet.
Ano? Matat.
Nayawa.
Matat dili.
Daotan bayot.
Is it that?
Tulan daw.
Because-
Ano pa ate? Meron pa. Iba pa. Guess. Guess talaga.
Or-
Si Rochelle, katong
Oh,
Rochelle
Pang-
Pangilinan.
dancer.
Get
Oo.
out.
Ah, pwede. Oo. Sige, more
Diri,
choices.
harayo
More
ka
choices.
sa mong cameraman.
Meron
Harayo.
five choices.
Go lang.
Hindi.
Kung ano pag nakikita mo.
Wait lang. Nose line muna ako. para may,
Sige,
para
go,
may
go.
ano ka
More
mukha.
cafe.
Go, girl.
Bayot, ano't oras din na Ayuki? Mag-make up ka
Anong
pa?
oras din eh? Alas 9. Alas 9:30.
Ay, okay, 1 hour naman ang difference.
Oo. O, di ba? Sige na, mag-make
Tanggal
up na.
na mo,
Pag
tanggal na
Sige,
mo
makeup.
eyeglasses. Bayin
Wala
na.
akong make-up.
Wow, art.
Apolinario, mami.
Ayaw.
Chora.
Bayot daot ikoy.
Nice guess.
Grabe kung makadaot, as if naman talaga.
Ay, sorry. Kasi ako sa mood today. So,
Wow.
Ay,
I'm not
wow.
wearing any makeup. So,
No, dapat natural beauty to. Natural beauty. Regardless of.
Rochelle daw dahil.
Rochelle
Why?
Pangilinan. Actually, ex-member ako ng...
Ay, sex ba?
Pwede ay na pag may make-up day.
Oo, ano mo side view
Wala
nga
nang
ni
makeup.
Day? Ang
Ayan.
side view nga nga nasugad.
Nakabalon daw siya.
Sandara Park.
At least, ang dami mo nang nahulaan, pero wala talaga.
Si ano siya, go, i-reveal
Ate,
mo
ang
na.
dami mo ng choices.
Oo.
Sige,
I-reveal mo
clue.
Clue daw, clue.
Isa siya sa pinakasikat na celebrity sa Pilipinas.
We see the
More.
stars.
Ha?
My love team.
May movie,
Charot.
may love team, tapos kanang naa siya yung movie na ang iyang
Patayin sa sindak si Barbara.
It's a Janice de Belen.
Actually, it's Aramina.
Aram.
Really?
Yeah, actually,
Ay, yes, light.
actually,
Yeah.
hindi, Iyamina talaga.
Iyami.
Mamo.
Hindi si
Mga
Christine
walang
Reyes.
iya kayo.
Christine Reyes daw mana.
Ang dami nang sinabing choice.
Kasi tanggapan na, hindi rin talaga kanaw.
Hindi rin nakakanaw.
Oo, di-
Actually, nagmo-morph kasi. Yung kasi, yung mukha ko nagmo-morph. Depende ha akong mood. So,
Yeah.
Du musst mit mein Freunde sprechen. Mana gwapo ito, gwapo.
Hala,
Sige
ano
daw.
naman kung gwapo daw.
hi!
Dahil
Ay.
magbablur
Blur
niya.
kasi.
Blur, dahil.
Du musst auch Englisch sprechen, Bruder.
Wag mo
Oder jetzt
i-blur.
kommt nicht raus, der Englisch-Fan und sagt,
Warte.
Iyang face.
Oi, is it?
Hi!
Wag
Are
mo
you
i-blur.
single?
der, yes,
Oh my
I am
God!
single.
Wow.
Are you single? Oh my God!
Ayan,
Hi!
Arnel, ha?
I think you are the one I'm looking for.
Hast du verstanden, Bruder?
Du machst mich zum Dings. Und das
Was
Freunde oder
Ja, ja,
spricht
ja.
Cousin, Cousine?
Nee. Friend.
Hi.
Philippines.
Yes. So divide this in
No.
Brit Gross Britannia.
England.
Yes,
in
yes,
England.
yes. No.
Zach is all
How
coming
are
here.
Nice to
you?
meet you. Yeah. What's
How
his
are
name
you,
again?
Gigi?
What's his
Hold on.
name
Doing
again?
Fine, thank you. And you?
I'm alright.
Go na, it's your time.
Yeah.
As our
Zach
foreign,
zegt
Yes.
op bezoek.
as
En Zach
our
is
foreign
Overtime.
relations
Zach in mijn hertje
officer,
is
go
bij
Arnel.
Zach.
Oy, Day, visit daw ka mo eh.
Ooh.
Oh,
Yeah, I will
yeah.
come. What's your name? Sorry.
My name is Mo.
Mo.
It's
Mo
more.
Twister. Mo Twister.
And my
What's your name
is
again?
Mohammed. Aber
Mohammed.
Moved.
Mohammed.
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 Hi.
Yes.
You're from
Nice to
So,
meet you,
where?
Mohammed.
so my Schengen visa will arrive tomorrow. I will go straight to Germany to see you.
Yes, kom. Welkom.
Oh,
Day,
Careful,
grabe
careful
ta
talaga.
nagpapakinaya
episode.
kung
Agad
gwapo
ka
daw
guest.
hiya.
Oh, pak.
Ah, yes,
Ipita,
yes,
ipita
yes.
gamay nga ipit.
Handsome.
I asked
Napag-ano
him.
kung gwapo daw.
Abdi.
Yes.
Yeah.
Huh?
Obdo.
Can you
Dankeschön. Thank you.
move closer to the camera?
Okay, move closer.
Show your
Can you move
womanhood.
closer?
Move closer.
Wat zou je maken, broeder?
Oh, pwede na dai. Oh,
Ayan.
pak.
Gwapo ito man, ah.
Oo.
Wow.
You're so
all.
good. Gwapo hiya dahil.
Taga-diinit yan,
Okay,
Play
I
daw,
will.
i-play daw best kung mag-ano na siya,
taga-diinit yan.
may voice.
Bahay kong
Mohammed.
Marokko.
Morocco, Day.
Oh, we
Are you
want
from
to go to
Morocco?
Morocco, right? We want to go to Morocco.
Yes.
Yeah.
I will go to Morocco as well.
Ah, you will not
Oh,
invite
Morocco
us?
is beautiful.
Yeah, we want to go there.
With
Yeah.
the visa for sure.
Bea.
Ano
Diesel.
na?
Di.
Liliniba ka na
Abdi
kita,
iya.
guys. Liliniba
Is
ka
it-
na.
Limak na kita dahil.
Bayot first podcast pala. Damo na tat guest.
Oh, tapos rated X talaga ito topic dahil.
Yeah, you know what? I want to go to Morocco. Yeah, it's a nice country.
What do you want to do in Morocco? Do you want to ride a camel?
I want to
Oh,
ride.
Or do you want to ride Mohammed?
Ja, Kamel is Marokko, Kamele. Right?
Ja.
Kamel
Camille auf Deutsch?
Yes, Kamel is auf German. It's
Camel auch.
Kamel, ja. Kamel.
Okay.
Kamele.
Kam- Kamelen.
Kamele.
Kamele, deswegen heißt, Bruder, diese Kamelen heißt Kamele. Also
Ja.
Kamele ist die Blüte, aber es gibt auch Kamel.
Okay.
Deswegen heißt es ja Kamelentee.
Kamelentee.
You understand? Or?
Yes.
Okay.
Hab ich
Mohammed,
verstanden.
can I
Yeah.
ask a question?
Yes.
Do you have muscles?
Wow. Do you have muscles, brother?
Yeah,
Brother,
because
do
you
not
are like
sport. Side 9 muscles, brother.
Bruder, alles weg. Oh ja. Soll ich zeigen eine Foto?
Yeah.
Side photo.
Photo daw
No,
ang iya.
photo.
Iya, muscles
I will
ni
No,
show
we want
Mohammed.
to you want
Mohammed.
we want you to strip off your ano.
Ich zeige alte.
Ay.
Oh, look at that.
Oh.
Very nice.
Yeah. Go
Das ist
Arnel.
That's why.
Oh,
Show it again.
2020.
Once again.
Jetzt sag ich ein bisschen
No, I want the real
Jetzt
one.
hab ich-
Tumaba
can you
daw
take
ko
off
no
your
siya.
jacket?
Wow,
Du musst
That's
den
good,
yapi
Arnel.
out scene.
Mukhang
Say kang tattoo.
Ooh.
Can you take off your jacket and
X na ang China. Ay, hala. Ano?
Wow.
Oh,
I know.
Wow.
Oh
Boom ka talaga
wow.
the first
Oh my
episode.
god. I think I found my husband.
But here's the first standard.
I'm so happy for you, Nell. I'm so
Oh my
happy.
god. You have lots of tattoo. What is the meaning of those tattoo, Mohammed?
But deleted the tattoo, brother.
The name for my
Can
song.
you lift your no don't put it back.
No.
Oh no.
What's that?
Don't
Need
put
and
it back.
scene, Buga.
No.
It's cold.
Oh, it's
In German, it's
cold.
cold.
Yeah.
Don't worry when I come there. I'm gonna come there. When I'm there with you, I will keep you warm.
Wow.
Aw.
Sana all.
That's so sweet of you, Arnel. As a warmer.
Oh.
That's the
I'm
one.
I'm a warmer.
Oh, nakapiig si Teta.
So yun, nagliwan ka na talaga.
Nagliwan ni Jay.
Yeah. for a change.
Buda, isa sa...
No, diba? Divino, you give most social to Arnel and Arnel social to him, so they can
Was
communicate
is then
Yes,
privately.
that's right.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah, that
yeah,
would be the
yeah, yeah,
perfect
yeah.
angle.
Also,
Before we go there, is Mo single?
Oh,
Is the
yeah.
single?
The important question.
Yeah, single daw siya, Day.
Oh,
Are you
single.
sure?
Perfect, Nell. There you go.
Okay.
He's single.
So it's a perfect match, Muhammad. So
Success mo, pahis mo. Leche.
oh,
Uy, nag-bling na tayo parang Restos.
Oh, si ate.
Si
Uy,
ate. Para
makinig
to
Hey,
first
ate.
ate,
guess.
ate
Kay
ka,
may
ate
dalag-
ka sa vlog, te, ha?
May
Sorry,
nagre-ring
ate.
kasi.
Kasi yan.
Okay, yeah, they have to check a patient. Yep. But does he understand English, Mo? Do you understand English or just German?
First stage to English.
Yes, I understand English.
Oh, there,
Yeah.
Arnel, my gosh. He understands English. So,
I understand English. I speak little bit English.
Oh, yeah,
Have you
good.
had a girlfriend that is a
English.
English is for me.
Filipina?
English for me no problem. I understand English.
Mo, yeah,
They
I think
speak-
language is not an issue as long as we understand each other.
Wow. At least manalo.
Thank you.
Miss Universe.
That's how the man.
Ay, oo nga,
Zach,
diba?
Hi,
Hello, Philippines.
Muhammad.
Yeah.
Oh, I got a
Mga
question.
Trans-
Please.
Can I travel to Morocco without any
Hmm?
problems? Like I know Morocco is like mostly a Muslim country, right?
Yes.
But is it okay for me to travel to Morocco without having any problems in immigration?
No.
At
It's
all,
no
right?
problem.
Okay.
Good.
No, Morocco is
Ay, perfect.
no problem.
Let's
Next
go
travel
there.
naman.
Yeah,
I will take your word for that, okay? Because
What-
we're
what-
planning to travel.
Yeah, what are the places that you're suggesting? Like the places to
Bogenau
visit?
in Morocco.
Mono?
Wo schön ist?
Yeah,
Ich habe schon gerade gesagt. Tanja, Casablanca, Meknes,
Ah.
Fes.
Oh, you know the
Marrakesh.
song, the Casablanca
Marrakesh.
song.
Casablanca and
Casablanca
Marrakesh.
is sehr nice. Very nice.
Oh, Casablanca and
Oh,
Ah.
Marrakesh.
best. Amo na itong dili.
Tanja
Visa
is our-
Tanja daw.
free.
Tanja.
Ich zeig ein Foto von Tanja.
Das ist
White
Tanja.
sand.
It's in the Atlantic Ocean. Is it Atlantic
yeah.
Ocean or Mediterranean?
What
I think
month
that's
is the best,
Mediterranean, yeah?
Da ist alles gut. Food is good.
What is the best
People
month
is
to
good.
travel to Morocco?
Oh yeah. What's the when is the best time to travel to Morocco?
To Morocco,
What month?
August,
August,
Juli,
July,
Juni.
June.
Yeah, but
Oh my
In England
Best-
haben die doch auch
best
Juni,
bet
Juli. August.
best koy
Nein,
bet mo dito kita
June,
mag-birthday.
July.
Ja, Bruder.
Ha?
Bet
Auch
mo
gar
dito
nicht,
kita
heißt, bei uns sagt
mag-birthday.
man immer nur die Zahl.
Bet what?
Really?
Zum Beispiel,
Dito kita
8.
mag-birthday.
Monat ist ja August.
Really?
Ay,
In
Oh,
Marokko
that's so
sagt man dann,
cute.
papaso it August
im Monat
man.
August.
Ah,
Nicht
Morocco?
August, sondern die Zahl. Ja.
Okay.
Ay, pero bet ko ito. Hala, bongga. I will love it. Perfect.
Yeah, I love it. I
Problem.
love to go to Morocco as well. But I
Do
think
you
it's
want?
it's accessible as well to
To me.
Yeah.
August.
To the Philippines. It's a visa-free country for Filipino people. So,
yeah.
yeah.
So
So
Jake
you
will
Philippines
have
is very nice, eh?
won't have any problems.
Philippines.
Yeah.
Yes,
You
it's
should
nice
visit
Nice girls in
here.
Philippines.
I am Tanzanian. Half Tanzanian, half Filipino.
Ano ilagay niya kanday about Philippines, di ba?
Nice daw ko not Philippines.
Nice girls in
Yeah.
Philippines.
Yes,
Yes.
it's a nice country.
Yeah.
I-
It's a very
I
good
Show
fly-
some,
I
country.
fly-
some
I fly
pictures
to
from
Philippines.
Siargao naman, best.
London.
Wait lang.
Mit
Next,
einem
ja.
von euch, Bruder. Ich kann die Sprache nicht. Ja, wohl, ich
Nag-aaral
speak in
ako
English, ne? In Philippines,
Ay,
no problem.
nag-aaral.
Ne?
Nein, kahit na problem.
Yes,
English
not a
is no problem.
problem. Yes, we're speaking English, just like me. I'm
Yes,
speaking
English is no
English.
problem.
Yes, it's not a problem.
Yes.
Sis,
We're,
ano lang.
we're,
Siehst du, bist ein Arschloch, komm
we
her.
are a English-speaking
Dieses
country.
eine Mann.
Thank you, Muhammad.
No.
Thank you for...
Hat schon gesagt.
Gusto rin ko maiwas na hiya.
Oh,
Aber
ang Derek
Tito,
pa siya
bakit?
tapos.
Dahil, kay ano pa yan?
Aber ich habe gesagt, ich stehe nur auf Frauen.
Nor the boobs.
Yeah,
Debut? I had my
Hier,
debut at
bisschen.
18, but...
Hier ein bisschen, weil normalerweise, guck mal, ich habe diese. Wie Männer. Auch, guck mal, bei Kim, du auch.
Aber nicht
Aber
so.
bei dir nicht so. Bei mir sieht
Ja,
man
ja,
mehr. Guck
ja,
mal,
aber bei dir, ja.
bei mir sieht man, I am
It's blur.
Dobi
It's
siguro.
Day, anak ka
Check-in.
chat mana.
Yeah.
Diri to ni scammer man, sure ka?
Oo
Hindi
nga.
mo padara kwarta. Hindi mo padara kwarta.
Ah, wala.
So,
Nag-enjoy
kailan
lang
Dala
ka.
kwento.
kailan ka
Pag-
nag-chat?
It's my
Oh,
friend.
dahil ba sa mga businessman, enjoy na
Ay, di
yan.
sind meine Klassenkameraden.
Kameraden.
Uy, ano
You
yung
will-
pinaka-chat
you will-
mana?
Yeah, anyway, we will end this is our first podcast, Mohammed. Thank you for guesting. Also,
And also,
At si
ano
ate.
nga ng girl?
ano
Ay,
nga
ano pangalan mo,
ate?
sis?
Chessa.
Chessa, Saragossa?
Chessa.
Hindi po.
Achso, ich kenne die auch nicht.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
Chessa.
Ah,
Chessa.
Soho.
Chessa.
Thank you, Chessa. All right. And this is
Welcome.
at
Thank you,
Marvelous.
guys.
Thank you, Jenna. Thank you, Muhammad. Nice to
attending
meet
our
you.
Dapat may nag-give
podcast.
kita
Nice to
mga
meet you.
ending na ano.
Oo nga.
Na
And this
skill.
is Marbel. Go Ikoy.
This is Nell.
And this is Francis.
And this is Dave. Und
On
This is Chessa.
KKK
Und du?
with a K.
I am